Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into solving your digital dilemmas. Today, we're tackling a common but frustrating issue, getting unbanned from Grindr. Whether it was a misunderstanding, a mistake, or you're just not sure what went wrong, don't worry, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through this process. So let's get started. Firstly, uninstall your Grindr, then go to Play Store and again download Grindr application. Go on Google Play and search for Grindr. Then simply install it. After doing so, go to your settings and simply click on Apps and Notifications. On Applications. Now here you'll find all the applications that you have ever installed. Now simply scroll and find the Grindr app. Now go to Storage and click on Clear Cache option. After doing so, click on Permissions and grant all the permission. Now the second method is to go on Play Store and download VPN. Sometimes Grindr will ban you, so you will need to download VPN. But let's suppose if VPN is not working, the last method you need to use is to reset your phone. You need to go on Settings and reset your phone. And this is how you can unban yourself from Grindr.